This is the Chinese.
What's it called?
Deddle RV.
Deddle
RV. I knew it was something about. I knew it was something about dying. It's got a washing machine. It's got a broken washing machine.
It's got a washing machine. I can't figure out how you open it, but it's definitely switched it on.
Okay, we've only got. I think there might be a bit of shortage space here because we've only got 2 sleeping places here. I think there's might be 2 here, 4. And there's sleeping places up here as well. Which is for 8. It only has place for 8 people. Now, isn't that
only
really?
8 people.
Yeah.
How on earth are you going to manage that? But look what's behind you. You've seen what's behind you.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, 10 people.
No, look what you just lifted up.
This is a projection
this
screen.
Is a projection screen.
Yeah.
You know that because it says so. You've got to get it on the screen.
Yeah,
so
there you go.
There you go. Projection screen.
Rapido did the same thing.
So where is the projector?
Oh.
Is the projector up there?
No.
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 Where is it?
Well, it would have to be. Oh, look where it says 25 degrees. So maybe it's in there somewhere.
Oh, that's weird. What's this? What's this? This is magic. This is some kind of magic.
It is, because there's one up there that says it's 27.2 in here, and there's one that says it's 25.
Look, this is transparent wood.
Yeah, brilliant.
Is that a new thing?
It's something Chinese.
Transparent wood.
Maybe it's a Chinese transparent tree.
No, it's not. No, that. It's no. It's magic.
But you can see down here, you can see how they've made the bed. So the tables go down. We've got bed extensions on either side. You know.
There's a lot to look at.
Yeah, but it's on an Iveco basis.
Is there individual individual USB sockets?
Oh yeah,
Every single position.
Well, that's okay. I got it. It's a bit like a
USB-C and normal.
Yeah, I mean this would be all right for a long distance coach. You know, if you bought a ticket to go to Peking or something from Dusseldorf.
Right. What's that ram doing?
That, oh no, that is a strut, and that will go up. Don't know how, but yeah.
There's quite a lot to see.
Yeah. I mean, there's a museum piece. It's really interesting. They got these tables come from it's an Italian company. Those probably been ripped off by somebody in China.
And they don't use the cab at all.
No.
Cab is completely separate.
And it's in length. It's what, about 640 something like that? No, I think it's less. 7 meters? Oh, I don't know.
No, maybe it's not. You're right. Maybe it's 6.5.
I mean, it doesn't look much bigger than mine.
Between 6 and 7.
Yeah. Okay. I'm 650 then.
But I want to know where the projector is for the projection screen.
Yeah. It says, please do not touch. How are you supposed to avoid touching it? We've got a fridge there, which is a normal fridge.
And a freezer down here.
Yeah, it's a big freezer.
Big freezer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And we've how much is the solar? I've forgotten. But it's got a stack of.
Here with the controls, it's all in Chinese.
Alright.
So that's a disadvantage.
Yeah, I don't know any Chinese.
We've got aircon. We've got aircon. That's the aircon unit up there.
Ah! Right.
Aircon is standard. So,
yeah.
But what amazes me is that 25.
Yeah.
Because that is not.
Ah, and maybe it must be a laminate and there's something behind it.
It's some kind of.
A digital Chinese tree. Yeah.
Because that is not projected. It's it must be electro thingy-bob. Yeah, laminate, as you say. In fact, you could have the television. You could have the television screen embedded into the wood.
Yeah.
Maybe. One day. There is plenty of headroom.
Yeah, we can't complain at that.
I'm going to say that.
And I think there's a double floor.
Okay, I don't care about double floors.
Oh, I wouldn't get in a van without a double floor. Well, I'd sleep in one anyway.
But
Mind
if you're a family with loads and loads of people,
yeah,
as you say, it's 8, isn't it?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Is it 8?
Well, I don't know because these beds are all extendable down here. So I mean, there must be double beds. And we can see this thing here appears. Maybe this is meant to be a single. I don't know.
I think it's a single.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Exactly.
And I think there's enough room for more than 8 in the 2 in the front one, but I will just say it's 8.
Somebody's sleeping on the floor down this way.
No,
Let's have a quick look in the bathroom here. Look, there's a bathroom.
I think the bathroom actually looks
And
quite
it's a
nice.
reasonable size.
No, I've got no complaints at the bathroom.
You like a nice bathroom.
Well, I mean the air supply seems a bit, air supply seems a bit dodgy. Yeah, I'm gonna come in. Oh, we've got a turn this on. What's that do? Oh, what's that turn? Oh, yeah.
Right, well, I'll be seeing you.
It's got a Thetford toilet.
Yeah,
If it's a genuine one.
genuine. But have a look at this. You've got the aircon here, which is nice. This here, like you'd think that was projected.
It certainly looks it, yeah, but it's not.
Projected. It's just, and it's warm. It's warm. So there's something going on
So it's a light behind it.
in the wood.
Does this thing here come out?
No, it lifts
Oh,
up.
moment, there's
It lifts up and not
yeah.
much.
Hang on, what's this here then? Oh, no, okay,
No,
don't
no,
force
no,
it,
no,
don't force it. It's just it's an inverter. Yeah, no, that's the aircon unit.
That's that. And then you've got all this.
Yeah,
It's all in Chinese.
yeah.
But
There's the kitchen. A part of the kitchen, because the rest of the kitchen's outside. There's
no
the
cooker, is there?
yeah.
There's no cooking.
You've got to use the outside one.
The cooking's all outside.
Yeah.
Ah.
There's a broken washing machine.
So you have to cook outside with
Yeah.
diesel. Right. So. Well, it's only
Yeah,
a single
that's all right. When it's raining, you wouldn't.
awning.
You'll be glad to get out. It's a Fiamma awning.
You've got a window to detect it.
Yeah.
If it does rain.
Yeah, it's okay that window, because what it'll do is the rain will rush off here and it'll come onto
Yeah,
there.
yeah.
So if you burn anything, it'll automatically go out.
Automatic fire extinguisher, which is nice. So look, you can cook here.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
But this is, I think the cooking facilities are underwhelming.
Yeah, absolutely.
Underwhelming.
So here we've got 1,850 watts power, monocrystalline silicon hard panel solar panels, can be configured at 1,620 watts.
So that's quite impressive.
48 volt lithium iron phosphate batteries
Yep.
at 48 volt. 48 times 12, and there you go then. Okay, so that's quite a lot. So okay, it's good. That's a fair whack. Yeah, yeah. It's like 500 ampere hour batteries.
I think you need to take sandwiches, frankly.
Let's get a shot of it from the outside, so you can have that. I stand by what I said earlier, 650 centimeters, or 640, something like that. So it's the Iveco Daily Hymatic.
You can't go wrong with a nice Iveco. It's a proper.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, there you go, Deddle RV with a lot of solar on the roof at Caravan Salon, Dusseldorf.
2023.
Yeah. Get it now while you still can.